Hello everyone. So we have 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5 to simplify. So we're going to solve together. Let's say solution. 16 can be represented as 2 to the power of 4. So that in the place of 16 we write 2 to the power of 4. The next line becomes 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 6 minus 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 5. But a to the power of m to the power of n is same as a to the power of n times n. So that the next line therefore will become here 2 to the power of 24 minus here 2 to the power of 20. 4 times 5 is 20. And again we can write this as 2 to the power of 20 plus 4 minus 2 to the power of 20. Also a to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. We're going to let it affect here so that 2 will be to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 20, and we are fine. So here we're going to factor out 2 to the power of 20 from the both terms. So if we write 2 to the power of 20 out, open a bracket, 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 20, what is left will be 2 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 20 divided by 2 to the power of 20, what is left will be 1. So if we solve this on, we're going to have 2 to the power of 20. Here, 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 16 minus 1, that is 15. 20 can be splitted as 2 to the power of 10 times 2. And of course, times 15. But 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. So here, we have it as 2 to the power of 10 to the power of 2 times 15. And here, 1024 to the power of 2 times 15. And again, we can split 1024 as 1000 plus 24, all to the power of 2 times 15. And this is in the form of a plus b to the power of 2, which is represented as a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. Here a is equals to 1000 and b is 24. So if we agree on this one, our simplification becomes 1000 to the power of 2 for this plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 to the power of 2, of course, times 15. So we're going to simplify this further. What we have is 1000 to the power of 2, that is 1 million, plus 2 times 4, that is 8, 2 times 2 and 4, and 48 times 1000, that is 48,000, plus 24 to the power of 2, we have 24 times 24. 4 times 4, 16. Pull down 6, carry 1. 4 times 2, that is 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 times 4, that is 8. Write it down. 2 times 2, that is 4. So we're going to add this, bring 6 down. 9 plus 8, that is 17. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5. So what we have is 576. So here we have 576 for 24 to the power of 2, everything times 15. So if we add this up, we're going to have 576 4810 times 15. And again, 15 can be splitted as 10 plus 5, so that we'll have it as 1048,576 times 10 plus 5. So if we open up the bracket, we have this 10 multiplied by 10 will be 104,85760 plus this 10 multiplied by 5 will be 104,857 times 5. So 104,857 multiplied by 5. 5 times 6 is 30. Put down 0, carry 3. 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 3, that is 38. Write down 8, carry 3. 5 times 5, 25. 25 plus 3, that is 28. Put down 8, carry 2. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Put down 2, carry 4. 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, 24. Put down 4, carry 2. And 5 times 0, of course, 0. Plus 2, that is 2. And 5 times 1 is 5. 104,85760 plus here 0882425. So if we add this very one, we're going to have 0. 8 plus 6, 14. Put down 4, carry 1. 7 plus 8, 15. Plus 1, 16. Write down 6, carry 1. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Plus 1 is 8. And 8 plus 4, that is 12. We're going to write down 2, carry 1. That 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 2, that is 7. Write it down. And 0 plus 5, that will be 5. And of course, bring down the 1. So that the value of 16 to the power of 6 minus 16 to the power of 5 is simplified as 15728640. Fine. Thank you for staying tuned. Bye bye.